Good morning from Memphis. It's about 20 minutes after 2 in the early morning of August 20th, 2022 in Memphis. And I wasn't even going to bring my cell phone outside tonight to meditate, but I saw what was out here and I had to go back inside and get it. Because it's just a really pretty alignment. Saturn to the southwest. I'll zoom in just a little bit to bring that out. You can see it. And Saturn's plainly visible, but with the lights around, it's a little bit hard to pick out with the camera. Zoom back out, and you might still be able to see it. Whereas Jupiter's blazingly bright and visible in just about any camera, zoomed in or out. And over here, we've got the last quarter moon, but behind a cloud and just to the moon's upper right is Mars, kind of coming in and out of view. We'll be able to see that in just a moment. Actually, there it's coming out from behind the clouds as the moon goes behind the clouds. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We can pick out Mars quite easily, actually, even amidst these city lights. It's kind of in and out behind the clouds right now. There it is. Now it's quite bright. It's out from behind the clouds. That's really pretty. So it's just a really beautiful lineup with these four bright solar system objects in order of increasing distance from Earth. I just thought of that. The moon is obviously the closest, followed by Mars, followed by Jupiter and Saturn. And the distances will go using the speed of light. The distance to the moon is on average 240,000 miles, but that's 1.4 light seconds. So it's like right there. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it's like right there. Mars, at its closest approach, is about 2 light minutes away. That's a little farther than that now. The average distance is about 8 to 10 light minutes away. So it's between 5 and 10 light minutes away right now. And average, its distance from Earth at closest approach is 35 million miles. Farthest approach, farthest distance, about 240 million miles. Again, light minutes, anywhere from 2 minutes to roughly 20 minutes. Right now, about 5 light minutes. And Jupiter's about 45 light minutes away on average. 500 million miles. Saturn, roughly 90 light minutes away. 900 million miles on average. So again, 1.4 light seconds, 5 to 10 light minutes, 45 light minutes, and 90 light minutes on average. So that's all. It's just a really pretty sight. I've talked about different aspects of each of these beautiful celestial bodies in previous videos, but they're all in a line, as they have been for the last few weeks. And the moon, of course, passes close to each of the planets during its orbit around the Earth, just because the plane of the moon's orbit around the Earth is close to the plane of the planet's orbit around the sun. The moon's about 5 degrees off from that, so the moon will occasionally pass directly in front of one of these planets. But it always passes close, as it did this last week. Of course, the moon moves 15 degrees eastward against the background stars each and every day. And so a few days ago, the moon was back over here by Saturn. And it passed close to Saturn, then close to Jupiter,